Oh, I forgot to tell you. Now how to get lots of money, you have to get 990 bills and cut down a tree and dig up the tree stumps, and you have to have a golden shovel just like this and dig it up and then you'll get a money tree. But I don't know how to get a money tree. It just turns out regular, but I don't know how they do that. But know how to get a fountain? I'll show you. Once you get the bridge, once you get the bridge, you have 1,000,000 bills. You give it to the person, and you need to get another 1,000,000 bills, and then she'll give you a fountain. After like 10 days. 10 days. Well, it might not be 10 days. I don't know how much days it is, because we just changed the date. But 10 days. I don't care. 10 days. But this is his fifth store big. But he just started all over again. I don't know why, but he just did. He has a little store, doesn't he? I wish he has a better store. Bye, guys.